guys, SM here, and I'm at my campsite, and there's like a whole bunch like campgrounds and stuff, like not campgrounds, but just gonna explore cutties pretty much. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. Get you in a little holder. Gotta make sure you can see. Hold on. Perfect. It's the best it's gonna get right now. Gotta tighten you guys up, because this is gnarly. Like kind of hill that you can get a lot of speed on. Might not look big for you guys, but it's actually pretty big. Because first what I'm going to show you guys is there's the two biggest hills that call it hot cutties. This is one right here. Shift gears. Okay, before we go, gotta make sure it's tight. My phone doesn't fall out because that happened last night when I got here. Tighten up. Okay, here we go. So it's gonna shoot me all the way back there. That's how big it is. Okay, so. Shot me all the way back here. Now I got it's on the way on the far end. So let's go. It's gonna take a little bit because there might be workers up there. So that's where their workshop is, so I might get chased. Let's just cruise over there. Gotta save my energy because you gotta go uphill, and you gotta go downhill. So get it. See, this might just turned into, I'm going to show you both of the hills. Maybe some other time. I'll show you like the whole campground with some like friends or something. Because that would be a lot more funner to do. So yeah. People, this sun might not be good camera quality for it. Like it's not good camera quality with the sun. So, yeah. We're at the top. See, we gotta go over there, and I can't, you guys can't see. So we gotta go straight, turn, straight up, and we gotta go straightaways, and then turn. That's where the workshop is, and it's right next to that hill. So, this is the time where I gotta get my A game. Hopefully I don't drop you guys. You gotta shift weight because you're going so fast. My back tire's shit. I mean, it's not crap though, but. Yeah, I'm gonna tighten you guys up. Here's uphill. Looks like right now that I can see no one's up here. Here we go. It's gonna be a bumpy up here for you guys. Not for you guys, actually. Out of breath. So that's what our workshop is, right straight ahead. Okay, right there. Here it comes. Alright, tractors is right next to there. And if I drop you guys, I might have to come around again to get you. So, yeah. If we don't drop you guys, here we go. Till our rings. Oh shit. It's really loose and really dry. So that's why straight away I was turning on my brakes so I didn't crash with that Cardinal. So shifted, bad shiftings. Oh crap. Geese, dude, you scared the crap out of me. I don't know, they might come bite me or what. Shifted. I don't know, I might end it here. So, guys, if you want, so like and subscribe. And yeah, so peace.